Welcome back, students. In this class we continue fractions and decimals chapter 2 exercise 2.3. We continue with the question 7. Question 7 is a car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. So what is the problem means? The car runs 16 kilometers using with 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2/3 of liters of petrol? So car with 1 liter petrol travels 16 kilometers, and car with 2/3/4 liters travels how much distance is how much. So these are the data given, we have written here. Then we write distance covered by using therefore 2/3/4. We have to convert it like this. That is 2 into 4 or 4 into 2 by 4 plus 3 is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11/4 liter. Of petrol is equal to, now take this 16 into this. So is car with 1 liter of petrol multiplied by car with 2/3 liters of petrol. So multiply these two. So is equal to 16 we have into 11/4, which is equal to 4 4s is equal to 44 kilometers. Finally, the car travels at a distance of 44 kilometers with 2/3/4 liters of petrol. This is the solution for the question 6. Now we move on to the 8th problem. Eighth question. So, question 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into this is the empty box for both numerator and denominator, which is equal to 10/30. This is part A. So what we have to do, we have to fill up this with a number. So for this, write down here 2/3 into the block is equal to 10/30. Now we will fill up a number. We will fill up 2/3 into 5/10, which is equal to 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 10 is 30. This is the solution. Just assumption and write. But you have to get the answer 10/30. Therefore, the number in the box is 5/10. Therefore, next question is, now we come to 8th B. That is the simplest form of the number obtained in box is this one. We have to convert the simplest form of this answer obtained. Therefore, we write the simplest form of the number obtained is 5/10 we got. Therefore, 5 ones are 5 twos are 1/2 is 1/2. So now we move on to the 8th. This is the 8th first one. 8th A. This is 1. This is 2. 8th question 8 A, and it is second. So we move on to the 8th B part. Question 8 B. Again, one more problem is given. Provide the number in the box such that 3/5 into box is equal to 24/75. So we have to find out what is the number in this box. Therefore, three by 5 into we can write as 8/50, which is equal to 3 into 8, then 5 into 15, which is equal to 3 8s are 24, 24/75. Finally, we can write as, therefore, the number in the box such that 3/5 into box is equal to 8/15 24/75 is 8/15. This is B, first one. Now we move on to the B, question 8, B, second one. Second problem is the simplest form of the number obtained in is the simplest form of the number, that is this problem is, therefore we can see this is 8/5 we have got. Since 8/15 cannot be simplified further, cannot be simplified, that's all, simplified. Therefore, the simplest form of, or simplest form of 8/15 is 8/15. This is the solution. So first take this problem. They have given this problem. We have to find out the number provided in the box. So we assume it as 8/15, that is 3 into 8 is equal to 24, and 5 into 15 is equal to 75. So we got this by substituting this in the block, empty block. Therefore we can conclude as the number in the box such that 3/5 into the box is equal to 24/7 is 8/15. So this we finished part B, first one. Question 8, part B, first one. Now we move on to the question B, question 8B, second problem. The simplest form of, we have to obtain the simplest form of this. Again further simplifying. So we can write it as the simplest form of this answer obtained is, so 8/15. Since 8/15 cannot be further simplified, therefore the simplest form of 8/15 is 8/15 itself. So this is the solution for the question 8B, second one. We solved questions 7 and 8 in this class. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.